today I want to show you how you can easily work with your JSONL or JSONLine files. As you may know, those files are commonly used for logs or for, let's say, LLM data training. The problem is with LLM data training that each line should be a valid JSON object, and you cannot really prettify it or format it, because if you format the JSON object will take more than one line, which will make it not a valid JSONL. What I found that there is not many tools in internet which will help you to achieve those goals. So I created my own tool which helps me to work with those documents, and I would love to share with you guys. If you think that any feature or functionality should be added, please let me know. All right, let's get started. So for the start, I have one file already uploaded, but you can really select any of files that you have. If it doesn't have any garbage or it's valid JSONL file, it should be uploaded correctly. So you can see I have plenty of JSON objects, which each of them is beautified or prettified, right? But if you take a look to raw data, for example, here, you will see that each JSON object takes own line. Yeah, but how to actually work with how to modify? So to modify that object, you can first see how it's presented in your original file. You can see that you have 13 pages, and on each page you have like tons of objects. So let's turn on purify mode, go to page 1, and let's say we want to update this object. I see that I have some garbage here, right? So we can just press this edit button and we can get rid of it. And we will save. Voila, that worked. But let's say if we want to edit and we want to add something. So we can do it like this, and it will suggest to us roles or properties which we have. So let's say content, and let's assume I don't know how JSON should look like, so I will do something like this, and I will be like, let's save it. As you can see, our button is grayed out. We will not be able to save, and we have the error message here, which kind of just like explains why it's not valid. But to me, it's obvious why it's not valid. So I can do something like this, and I can say like, "Hey, we are correct, JSON. Congrats." Right, and we can save. All right, so our file is saved, and now we can download it as a new JSONL file or as Excel file or any other format which is available here in our app. But what is important, we can either download it or we can proceed to next row, and we, let's say, we'll add empty JSON object, and we will hit save. All right, yeah, so after that, let's say we want to download this Excel. I'll download, and it's empty because you can see I added just content here. I didn't add row, so that's why our Excel is kind of empty, right? Okay, and now what else we can do? Let's say we want to we have just Excel and we want to format it back to the JSONL. We can easily copy this information, and I have a table to JSONL tab prepared for you. You can easily paste, and you can hit convert, and it will convert the information for you. And then you can download as JSONL file. But